Hey y'all, I hope you've had a good day. I do. This story's trigger warning. It's pretty bad. This woman you're looking at is 30-year-old Megan Billingsley Deese. She's from Hoover, Alabama, and she's a former traveling sports team coach, softball. February 14th, an adult woman came forward saying that she had experienced unwanted sexual contact by this woman. The abuse went on 2 to 3 years, and it ended in 2016. She was charged with sodomy, sexual abuse, intent to entice a child into her vehicle and home. She is out on a $90,000 bond. She abused this girl for 2 to 3 years. And the police department believe that there very well could be more victims. They're asking anyone with any information or complaints to please contact the Hoover Police Sergeant Scott Pinterest. And the number is 205-739-6125. We were just saying that it's equally bad for a man or a woman to abuse a child. This is the face of a pedophile. This is the face of a predator. It could be anyone. We have to be vigilant and watch out for our children. Softball coach. Man, I don't even know what to say. It's disturbing. I'll talk to y'all soon.